Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Zengo. First, download and set up your Zengo wallet on your mobile device. Ensure you complete the necessary identity verification steps, which typically involve providing a photo ID and a selfie. This crucial step helps secure your account and comply with financial regulations, making your future transactions smooth and safe. Once verified, you're ready to proceed with your first purchase. Next, open the Zengo app and tap the Buy button. Select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. You'll then choose your desired payment method. Zengo supports several options, including bank transfers, debit cards, and credit cards, offering flexibility. Be aware that different methods may have varying fees and processing times, so pick the one that best suits your needs for speed and cost. After selecting your payment method, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. The app will display the current exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the total cost in your local currency. Take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, confirm your purchase. Your Bitcoin will then be securely transferred to your Zengo wallet, usually within minutes, depending on the payment method. Zengo prioritizes your security with its unique keyless wallet technology, using multi-party computation. This means you don't manage traditional private keys, reducing common risks. Your funds are protected by three-factor authentication. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Zengo offers 24/7 in-app customer support. They are ready to assist you with any aspect of buying or managing your Bitcoin, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.